Hi guys, Game On Marty's back, another video in Animal Company. You guys may be wondering why we're all holding black suitcases. Because we're taking them to the duplication machine.
Yay! Let's go!
Okay, but we need to like
stop the golden gang. We're just missing one person.
Yeah, we're just missing one person from the golden gang. No weapons. I mean, you can use weapons as long as it's only for the monsters. So come on.
Yeah, guys.
Come on, guys, come on.
So Marty, why do you need so much of these?
I'm recording. Okay, guys, come on, come on. We gotta go to the machine. But guys, each of y'all have to get a key card.
Got it.
Don't worry, I'll get myself one. So y'all each get yourselves one key card.
Close it on you.
Don't close it on me. I'm the one carrying the eggs.
Oops, I girl. Woo!
I'm holding the most stuff here.
Guys, do not lean about once.
Yo, bro, I'm making a YouTube video in Animal Company where we're upgrading like colored black crates. And we're trying to see what we get. And each of the three of us in the lobby have one. So we're gonna see what happens. Do you want to join? Okay, but I don't know if I'm online or offline. In office, going to the machine.
Guys, there's 3 key cards.
I'm gonna leave the call. Alright guys, we gotta get to the machine.
I don't have a key card. I don't have a key card.
Just keep on looking for a key card.
Marty can dupe them.
We can't do that in the video.
Yeah. So, why do we need multiple? Found one.
Multiple, you know, suitcases?
Yeah. Guys, can you wait for me, please?
So we don't have to make a bunch of attempts, failed attempts at the video.
Guys, can you wait for me? Here, you're done. Oops.
No.
Other dude, come back. Why?
I'm gonna appear online. Online.
He died.
Man, I had to die when I had my crate and
Stuff.
the eggs. So yeah, join. Leave the call. Y'all, bring my loot to the machine. Join, please. And 3, 2.
I have 1 bullet
4.
left.
No, not like that.
I don't want to be alone. Come back.
Okay, I died sadly, so I'm going to get a hook shot.
Guys, the key cards despawn.
Here's your hook shot. Alright guys, wait on me, I'm coming. Did y'all pick up my crate?
Yes, I did, but the key cards despawn.
Oh, the key card despawned? Don't worry, I can get a new one.
Red, come back.
Alright, I'm coming.
kill him.
God, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm back where I died. Okay, I'm here. I'm here.
Yep. There's your stuff.
Where are my crates? Where's my crate?
That's where it is.
I'm at the.
I need a heart gun. Okay. There we go. Now we're back in business.
Monster that don't have a grappler.
Now we're back in business.
I didn't protect myself.
Killed it.
Okay, good. Okay, we're here. Okay, I'm gonna do mine first.
Okay.
Wait, I don't have a bag. Dang it.
Don't worry. Okay.
Are you gonna divide everything at the end so everybody gets one?
Sure. Okay, now I'm just kind of
A
gonna.
little one.
Okay, guys, I have a key card. Luckily, I have a key card.
I got a key card too. I have one back again.
I got nothing.
No, those two were there. Those two were there.
Man, okay, y'all put y'all's in.
I'll put
Can I
mine
put
in.
mine in? No,
Yes,
I'm putting mine in.
whoever wants to put it in, put it in. Okay.
I'm next.
Okay, come on. Someone put the key card in.
I don't have one. He does.
Well, seems like I have to go get a new key card. After we see what this
We'll
one.
tell you if we get anything. Got nothing.
Man, it better be yours, Mr. Jam. That's the lucky one.
We need a key card.
I'm going to get a key card. No, not that way. Where? I'm lost in this place so much. Like, I'm gonna get every route mixed up here.
One of them these.
One of the what despawned? All right, guys, I'm about to get a key card. Mr. Jam, we're adding luck to yours. Man, same place, to the same. The same place. I'm just not good there. Oh, free pickaxe. Alright guys, I'm coming.
Someone else is here.
Sure.
Can I kill him?
Guys, wait, I died again. First it was me having a break. Now it's me dying while having it. Man, imagine, bro, imagine. Yeah, I'm taking a film of this. Perfect. Man, Jane really tried. Jane tryharded. I had to leave my stuff. Alright guys, I got the key card.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
Oh, I'm here guys, I'm here.
Yo, big back. Put the key card in. 2, 2 for 5. First put the egg. Oh my god, you got eggs? Then put the key card in.
Let me put it, okay, Mr. Jam, I'll let you do the honors.
Because it was my suitcase. I never did the honors. The eggs. Get the eggs. Don't worry.
Yo, we need to keep 2 eggs because we'll upgrade eggs.
Yeah, let's upgrade the eggs.
Yeah, this works. Yes, put the key card in, Mr. Jam.
It's actually kind of a lot. No, it's me, actually. I never got to put it in.
Okay, you get to put it in.
Put it in.
Put it in, then put it in.
Please be lucky. We got enough. Think.
Okay, this time we're gonna upgrade an egg. An egg.
Guys, I got an egg.
I have an egg, bro. I have 2, and that's
I got
perfect.
multiple eggs.
I have 2
And there's
eggs,
3
and
up
that's
here.
perfect.
I already put one in.
I've just got it.
Guys, can I get the 2 of the eggs?
But there's gonna be more than one. Wait, time for me to get a key card. It's this way. Please, bro. Man. Is it the other? Get it, I better get these routes right.
Mr. Jim, look how far my control.
Okay guys, yes. We just wasted 3 black crates. Basically 4 since this is the second time we've been trying this video. Okay guys.
Who's it?
We're gonna make a part 2 to this video,
Why is
actually.
there so many eggs?
Guys, we're gonna make a part 2 to this video where we try making it again.
Meow. Meow.
And I got a key card.
Okay, come back.
Let me put it in.
Tag you. I tagged you.
Let me put it in. I've upgraded eggs before and it works. Let's just try. Hi! Yeah!
We got some.
Oh,
We actually got some.
hold on. Put them in the bag. Put them in the bag, guys. Put all of them in this
Put them
bag.
in your bags.
I'm gonna dupe
some on
it
the
later.
ground.
I'm gonna dupe it later. So all of us have it. Come on. Put it in. Put it in.
No, the big one has to go to him. The big one has to go to you.
Come on. Put this on there.
Bro, Mason, I'll put mine in your bag.
They're falling out.
I can detect your phone card. Okay, my left controller is low, bro.
Okay, guys. Come up here, guys. Come up here.
So he can dupe it.
Are we still doing the video?
Yes, we're still recording.
There's a monster
So
here.
come up here for the end of the video. Come up here for the end of the video.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 I love eating eggs.
Okay, guys, that was the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and make sure to have a great day.
subscribe to Marty. Bye.